driver. It'd be fun, they said.
It wouldn't be too hard to get, just I'd have to pull you from downhill and with gravity. I don't want you sliding into my truck.
Oh, I got a bunch. Okay. The other day, I had to pull. You familiar with Delancey area? It's past like Stanford and Roxbury. But a guy came up from PA in a Ford 3500 Super Duty, or whatever the fuck they're called. Those massive ones. Swerved to miss a baby deer. Ended up in a 4-foot ditch. It goes up to my belly button, completely on its side. Took me 45 minutes to pull that fucker out. Oh, those are backwards. Fuck me. I'm thinking, how long is that rope you got?
20 feet.
20 feet? You have a tow hook?
I've got this and just a hitch without a ball.
Thinking if we can wrap that around your rear end, just in case you do go sliding, you're anchored to that tree.
New incident dispatch.
Okay. Good and secure back there?
Yep.
I'm gonna start putting tension on it. Yeah, we're just gonna disconnect that. We might run it somewhere else because I'm thinking once we get out, it might swing you. I think that's all we got for that. Damn, I wish there was a fucking tree right here. Workers' comp. I think that should hold. Well, I got you to the rear axle there, so hopefully that's less drag because it's pulling out from that point. clutch right here. There we go. Alright, let me just pull that out of the way. Oh, right there?
Yeah. I would have just went right into that tree. Right to the rear.
Well,
If I didn't stop right at the edge.
at least you did. And you pretty much, it was weird because you didn't even get caught on the frame. There was a full-on gap, so you got lucky there.
Mm-hmm. Well, I wasn't going very fast. Now.
I want to get me a Ranger. This manual or automatic?
Automatic. 89,000 miles, and I just hit 100,000 this week.
What year is it?
2011.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Definitely not a New York car, right?
Originally it was out of state, and then it was in state for like 2 years.
Shit.
But the guy was like, no, I'm getting something else.
Do you think you'll be able to make this turn?
Once you're out of the way, I'm gonna,
Full,
or at least down at the bottom of the driveway there, I'm gonna just
full send it? Alright, well, I'm glad you're okay and got you out. You have a good day. Be safe. You don't have to give me anything, man.
call it a Christmas bonus.
Appreciate it. Thank you, man.
No problem.
Good luck hunting.
Last time I was down there 2 weeks ago,
Nothing?
didn't see a thing.
Deer, turkey, what is it right now?
Deer.
Deer? Bow?
This
Or?
is the last weekend for regular.
Well, hopefully you get something. Have a good one.